on your screen. First rates on your screen, and from last 2 weeks I'm saying that why it's Friday. You know, normally when markets go down I say, oh, TGIF, thank God it's Friday. Today I'm saying why it's Friday. And the market is touch wood. It's a good breath. I like the breath. More than the absolute gain on benchmark indices, I like the market breath. I will not be surprised that if Tata Motors starts bouncing back, if Canadian market and Mexican markets are coming back, you have to ask yourself, is that where does JLR compete? Whom does JLR compete with? And if JLR increases prices and if they shift manufacturing in US, it's not game over for Tata Motors. I will not be surprised that if Tata Motors is in for some kind of a bounce today. You want to look at real estate stocks or realty stocks because of Chris Wood, and then Bombay Stock Exchange after what's happened in terms of the new SEBI proposed norm for derivative. I'll not be surprised that if BSE would be up 7-8%. Let's look at it. Go. BSE please. But Zomato kahan se aa gaya? Okay, you take over. I think something. Yeah, 9%.
9% bang on, that is BSE, that is trading higher by about 9%. This after the SEBI consultation paper coming in on the expiry day, saying that it should be either on Tuesday or on Thursday. But apart from that, take a look at Nagarjuna Fertilizer, a huge sizable block deal taking place in that particular counter of about 26% of equity, if I'm not mistaken. So you have Nagarjuna Fertilizers that is in focus right now. Also take a look at what you have Asian Paints doing, because they've approved about 690 crore rupees additional capacity, capex on new plants due to the cost increase. Apart from that, you also have CESC, their unit is in a power purchase pact for about 25 megawatt supply for 3 years. You have also the likes of the entire IT pack coming in focus, because you have Citi that's come out with their preview note coming in for the entire IT space. Take a look at what ITC Hotels is doing. Interestingly, you have Macquarie that's gone ahead and initiated coverage on that particular counter. So you have ITC Hotels that have been focused. They believe that this particular stock is at an inflection point. So ITC Hotels is the one that's holding on to strong gains. BofA ML has come up with a note on Info Edge where they're maintaining their buy stance. The target price is at about 7,800 rupees per share. They believe that the momentum is steady in hiring trends. The AI impact is positive on cost. So on back of that, take a look at Info Edge. PB Fintech is the other counter as well that's in focus, because BofA has come out with the note on this one as well, where they believe that the business momentum is steady and the company should be able to show about 30% growth for at least 1 to 2 years in their core premium, 1.2% uptick coming in for PB Fintech. You have NHPC, because you have a CLSA that's come out with a very positive high conviction note on this one, 3% uptick coming in for NHPC. They believe it's a once in a 25-year event. They're confident that they are set to commission their Parabati 2 hydroelectric power project in the first week of April. So on back of that, they are highly positive on NHPC, 3% uptick coming in for that stock as well. So a couple of stocks that are in focus, as well as you have Concord that will be reacting to a brokerage note. Goldman Sachs has come out with a note on Concord, and that one is trading flat with a positive bias. So that's the way how the markets are looking like at this point in time. The breadth is pretty healthy. Benchmark indices not doing much. Auto still under pressure. IT is the one that is losing the most in trade today. But with that, Kunal, let me come to you and get your first trades.
Yeah, so I'll go with one HDFC Bank, and my sense is that the private sector banking space, it should continue to do pretty well for itself. So expecting bullish up moves for many of the private sector banking names going forward.
All right, HDFC Bank, that's the first trade coming in for Kunal. Naresh, what about you?
So continue to wait out for a dip on Bajaj Finserv closer to 1980 intraday for a bounce back and the trend to continue.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.